What the heck?
That the frick. No. Oh, what was that? The competition? Yeah, the all.
Was it a big one?
The teal one, the teal color one.
I still like this one better. Just because it's my friends.
It's fucking sick. Look at it.
Just a simple build.
I'll turn that on and drift.
Drift like that.
Yeah, flashy. BTS, Easy Titty Smasher.
Prank him, John.
Holy shit.
$12 later. Yeah, we're gonna call it. I will finish this tomorrow. I just wanted the front mount on.
The next day.
The bracket. All right, I don't know.
Bruh.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
So what is the last block of people?
So what I try pause it. So this piece and this piece, there's another hose on here, connects to here. That big block off plate goes on the manifold. So you did this one good, and the one down here. Yeah, the one down here. It's just this one we gotta take out. So this block off plate, the black one. So this piece goes on the manifold. This one is gone. That's what I thought.
They can tell we're not experts.
Watch, you go
Are you gonna
remove
take
that
these and you're gonna
piece.
join these two lines together, just like that in this
He
control.
YouTube certified.
Oh, no wonder.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why my fucking car was running dumb the last time. I didn't remove this. Like my
Bruh.
He already did the EGR delete from the tune, so I just.
YouTube certified.
Much later.
Holy fuck, it is filthy. Damn, this side is my block is gonna blow up. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like this thing. Watch when I lift it. It's like, that's what it should look like. I'm stuck with that hose. I'm battling it out right now.
NANI?!
Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
Trash?
You having a fun time? Is it in?
Right? What the fuck? Like, look at this. Look at this. It's like, no, daddy, no. I'm not ready.
I should call her.
Goodness. I'm hungry.
Can I snip this off? I don't think you need this.
Oh, yeah.
Just take out the engine already. Wait, production.
I mean, it's just throw B16 in here.
Fast as fuck, boy.
You're gonna slam displacement. What kind of kit is this?
ETS. STD.
Bro, it's pretty huge. It's small. Well, this one is big. But this clamp is tiny. Like, just getting it in. And this too. So if you have a stock radiator fan for this, the VA chassis, cut that bracket off because your charge pipe is actually hitting it. Out of all the clamps,
That's the hardest.
this is the hardest one. Unless it's that clamp. Go.
Check this shit out, guys.
And guess what? You ain't even need makeup, stupid ass boy.
I want to do a run with you. I want to race Devin. Cause I fucking lost to Devin. Devin's car, bro, you can feel the G-force in your stomach. That's why I want an STI. I'm too broke, so I bought a WRX. Damn, I was gonna drive this. I want to drive this thing without the hood. But no, Hawaii said nope. Fuck you.
Fuck your life. Bing bong.
Ooh, she's sensitive. The throttle. I couldn't.
おかえり兄貴仕上がったのか FC
ああこれから赤木さんを流す来るか
すぐ行く
Prepare yourself.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
My throttle body crapped out. Focus. You gotta put when.
Take the bolt. Right? You take this one. Right?
Okay, guys, there's 3 bolts holding that lower arm.
Oh wait, how you doing like this one?
You should. This guy is a genius, guys.
Oh, I'm in the wrong fucking bolt.
He's not dead. I took that back.
This guy's a genius, bro.